In this, a lovely night intermediate tap dance lesson tutorial, you're going to learn a short combination to the song A Lovely Night from the movie soundtrack La La Land. I hope you have a great time with that. If you're new here, I'm Rod from UnitedTaps.com, helping people just like you be happier and healthier through tap dance. Without further ado, let's jump right in. Starting with the right foot, you have fa-lap, heel, heel, fa-lap, heel, heel, fa-lap, step, fa-lap, step. I'm going to roll that again. 6, ready, go. Fa-lap, heel, heel, fa-lap, step, fa-lap, step. From there, dig, dig, spank, step, stamp, stamp, drag, ball change. Again, that last part was dig, dig, spank, step, stamp, stamp, drag, ball change. Super, let's connect it from the top. 5, 6, ready, go. A 1, a 2, a 3, a 4, a 5, and a 6, a 7, and a 8. A 1, a 2, a 3, a 4, 5, a 7, a 8. Super, let's hit that one more time. 5, 6, ready, go. A 1, a 2, a 3, a 4, a 5, and a 6, a 7, and a 8. A 1, a 2, a 3, a 4, 5, a 7, a 8. From here, stamp, clap, clap. Ball change, clap, clap, shuffle, step, heel, step, shuffle, step, heel, step. Then stamp, clap, clap, ball change, clap, clap, step, heel, step, heel, step, heel, step. I'm going to run that all again, starting with the left foot. That was 7, 8. Stamp, clap, clap, ball change, clap, clap, shuffle, step, heel, step, shuffle, step, heel, step. Stamp, clap, clap, ball change, clap, clap, step, heel, step, heel, step, heel, step. One more time. 5, 6 with counts, go. 1, a 2, a 3, a 4, a 5, and a 6, a 7, and a 8. 1, a 2, a 3, a 4, 5, a 6, a 7, 8. Super, let's take it from top all the way through everything you know. 5, 6, ready, go. A 1, a 2, a 3, a 4, a 5, and a 6, a 7, and a 8. A 1, a 2, a 3, a 4, 5, a 7, a 8. 1, a 2, a 3, a 4, a 5, and a 6, a 7, and a 8. 1, a 2, a 3, a 4, 5, a 6, a 7, 8. From here, your left foot's free. Dig, spank, step, shuffle, step, heel, stamp. Dig, spank, step, shuffle, step, heel, stamp. Again, 6, ready, go. Dig, spank, step, shuffle, step, heel, stamp. Dig, spank, step, shuffle, step, heel, stamp. From there, an Irish foot-lap. An Irish foot-lap, stamp, stamp, spank, step, stamp, stamp. Again, that last part, shuffle, hop, foot-lap, shuffle, hop, foot-lap, stamp, stamp, spank, step, stamp, stamp. Great, let's go from the dig, spank, step, shuffle, step, heel, stamp, and that's going to start on your left foot. 5, 6, ready, go. 1, a 2, a 3, and a 4, 5, a 6, a 7, and a 8, a 1, and a 2, a 3, and a 4, a 5, a 6, a 7, a 8. Why, certainly we can do that again. You bet. 5, 6, ready, go. 1, a 2, a 3, and a 4, 5, a 6, a 7, and a 8, a 1, and a 2, a 3, and a 4, a 5, a 6, a 7, a 8. Here's the easy part. 4 dig toe step heels with a swing rhythm. 1, whoops, let's try that again. 1, a 2, a 3, a 4, a 5, a 6, a 7, a 8, yeah, I'm going to do that again. Real simple. Ready, go. 1, a 2, a 3, a 4, a 5, a 6, a 7, a 8, into step, draw, all back, draw, all back, draw, all back, draw, all back, draw, all back. So counting wise, the drawbacks are going to start on your left foot. 1 and a 2 and a 3 and a 4 and a 5 and a 6. So we end with a step on count 6. Left alternating cramp roll, that's left, right, right, left, and then drag. So I'm going to do it from those drawbacks slow. Ready, go. 1 and a 2 and a 3 and a 4 and a 5 and a 6, 7 and a 8, 1. Yeah, I'll do it again. 6, ready, go. 1 and a 2 and a 3 and a 4 and a 5 and a 6, 7 and a 8, 1. And congratulations, you made it to the end. Let's go back and connect it from dig, spank, step, shuffle, step, heel, stamp, and see if we can get it all connected together. 5, 6, ready, go. 1, a 2, a 3, and a 4, 5, a 6, a 7, and a 8, a 1, and a 2, a 3, and a 4, a 5, a 6, a 7. Dig those step heels. 1, 2, 3, a 4, a 5, a 6, and drawbacks. Now, 1 and a 2 and a 3 and a 4 and a 5 and a 6, 7 and a 8, 1. Great. So after an Irish flap, stamp, stamp, spank, step, spank, step, stamp, stamp. That's the dig toe step heels. And we have 4 of those into the drawback. So 1 and a 2 and a 3 and a 4 and a 5 and a 6, 7 and a 8, 1. That's how it's all going to connect, but don't worry. I'm going to do it with you again from dig, spank, step, shuffle, step, heel, stamp. Here we go. 5, 6, ready, go. 1, a 2, a 3, and a 4, 5, a 6, a 7, and a 8, a 1 and a 2, a 3, and a 4, a 5, a 6, a 7, a 8, 1, a 2, a 3, a 4, a 5, a 6, a 7, a 8, a 1 and a 2, and a 3, and a 4, and a 5, and a 6, 7, and a 8, 1. Missed the drawback sound. It happened. Let's do that again. A little redemption. Hopefully I'll get that sound this time. 5, 6, ready, go. 1, a 2, a 3, and a 4, 5, a 6, a 7, and a 8, a 1 and a 2, a 3, and a 4, a 5, a 6, a 7, a 8, 1, a 2, a 3, a 4, a 5, a 6, a 7, a 8, a 1 and a 2, and a 3, and a 4, and a 5, and a 6, 7, and a 8, 1. Yay, we got sound. Okay. So now, you might be thinking, hey Rod, what did we do right before this? And the answer are the sugars with heels. 5, a 6, a 7, a 8, 1, a 2, a 3, and a 4. And then yes, the answer to the next question, can we practice that transition? The answer is yes. So let's go from those sugars starting on the left foot. There's 4 of them. 6, ready, go. 5, a 6, a 7, 8, and a 1, a 2, a 3, and a 4, 5, a 6, a 7, and a 8. Good. Again, just that transition from the sugars into the dig, spank, step. 5, 6, ready, go. 5, a 6, a 7, 8, 1, a 2, a 3, and a 4, 5, a 6, a 7, and one more time, just that transition. 6, ready, go. Sugar, 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 step. Dig, spank, step, pa, 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 pa. Now the next question, hey Rod, what's the beginning? Let's review that, shall we? At the beginning we started with flap, heel, heel, flap, heel, heel, flap, step, flap, step, dig, dig, spank, step, stamp, stamp, drag, ball change, I'm gonna do that much again. 5, 6, ready, go. A 1, a 2, a 3, a 4, a 5, and a 6, a 7, and a 8, a 1, a 2, a 3, a 4, 5, a 7, a 8. From here we had the stamps and claps. 1, a 2, a 3, a 4, shuffle, step, heel, step, shuffle, step, heel, step. 1, a 2, a 3, a 4, sugars. And you know what's after that, that's the dig, right? Cool. Let's go again from the stamp, clap, clap, ball change, clap, clap, shuffle, step, heel, step. 5, 6, left foot leads. 1, a 2, a 3, a 4, a 5, and a 6, a 7, and a 8. 1, a 2, a 3, a 4, 5, a 6, a 7, 8, and a dig, spank, step, shuffle, step, heel, step, all the way to the end. I hope you remember that. All right, so now we're ready to connect it all the way from top to the end. No pauses, no stops. You can do it. You're amazing. Here we go. 5, 6, ready, go. A 1, a 2, a 3, a 4, a 5, and a 6, a 7, and a 8. A 1, a 2, a 3, a 4, 5, a 7, 8. 1, a 2, a 3, a 4, a 5, and a 6, a 7, and a 8. 1, a 2, a 3, a 4, 5, a 6, a 7, 8. 1, a 2, a 3, and a 4, 5, a 6, a 7, and a 8. A 1 and a 2, a 3, and a 4, a 5, a 6, a 7, a 8. 1, a 2, a 3, a 4, a 5, a 6, a 7, a 8. A 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1. Bum, bum, bum. If it was rough, no worries. I'm going to roll it one more time without the music. Then we'll put some music on and have some real fun. From the top, no music. You can do it. 5, 6, ready, go. A 1, a 2, a 3, a 4, a 5, and a 6, a 7, a 8. A 1, a 2, a 3, a 4, 5, a 7, a 8. 1, a 2, a 3, a 4, a 5, and a 6, a 7, a 8. 1, a 2, a 3, a 4, 5, a 6, a 7, 8. 1, a 2, a 3, and a 4, 5, a 6, a 7, and a 8. A 1 and a 2, a 3, and a 4, a 5, a 6, a 7, a 8. 1, a 2, a 3, a 4, a 5, a 6, a 7, a 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1. Super! All right, if you're having a good time, please hit that like, subscribe, and notification bell, and take a quick moment and drop a comment down below what you liked, what you didn't like, what you want to see in the future. Just, hey, great job, or keep trying, Rod, whatever it may be. Do that real fast for me if you could. I'll wait for a second. Thank you so much. I really appreciate it. We're going to be tapping to the song A Lovely Night from the La La Land soundtrack, and we are starting 40 seconds into the song. Now there's no beat leading into the part where we tap to. It's just the guy singing, some other girl. Pardon I know I'm off pitch. Anyway, you just kind of get this, some other girls, and when he goes to the word other, that's when we're going to be flapping. There's no magical cue, so you kind of have to guess at it. So if you're a little bit off, don't worry. I'm a little off sometimes too. As soon as they start the flaps, the beat comes in, and then it's easy to stay with it. I'm just giving you a heads up of how this starts. Because it's not the usual 5, 6, 7, 8. It's more like, oh, go! So yeah, it'll be an adventure for both of us. All right, here we go. Again, 40 seconds into the song. Best of luck to you, best of luck to me, and hopefully together we'll get through this and it'll be great. Here we go.
Some other girl and I would love this world's sky, but there's only you and I, and we've got no shot. This could never be. You're not the type for me, and there's not a spark inside. Of a lovely night. See, there's nothing here.
All right, first run through. It can always be rough. That was a little faster than what we did without the music. So give yourself a couple run throughs to adjust to it. Let's roll it again. Hopefully it'll go better and smoother. If it's easy, add some style and some smile. Here we go.
Some other girl and I would love this world's sky. There's only you and I, and we've got no shot. This could never be. You're not the type for me, and there's not a spark inside. What a waste of a lovely night. See, there's nothing here.
All right, beautiful. Let's roll it again. It'll get better every time, we hope. Here we go.
Some other girl and I would love this world's sky, but there's only you and I, and we've got no shot. This could never be. You're not the type for me, and there's not a spark inside. What a waste of a lovely night. See, there's nothing here. Well, let's make something new.
All right, let's hit it one more time. Make this your best one yet.
Some other girl and I would love this world's sky, but there's only you and I, and we've got no shot. This could never be. You're not the type for me, and there's not a spark inside. What a waste of a lovely night. See, there's nothing here.
Beautiful, my friends. I'm going to do it one more time, facing you. You're not expected to do it with me. This is just so you can see what it looks like from the front, if all goes well.
Some other girl and I would love this world's sky, but there's only you and I, and we've got no shot. This could never be. You're not the type for me, and there's not a spark inside. What a waste of a lovely night.
All right, well, thank you again so much for for tapping with me, please hit that like, subscribe, and notification bell. And if you haven't already, drop a comment down below. Real quick, anything you put in there will be super helpful. I'll give you a second to do that. Thank you so much. If you did have a good time tapping, hop on over to unitedtaps.com. We have so much more great content. We have a huge intermediate lesson series, like 12, 13 hours long, so it's tons of tapping. It's great exercise for your body, it's great exercise for your mind, and it's just fun to do. So you can find that at unitedtaps.com. We also have workouts and a tap dictionary, choreography across the floor, practice exercises, just about anything related to tap dance, and we have it. I hope to see you there. Thank you again for tapping with me. I, of course, am Rod Howe from unitedtaps.com, making you happier and healthier through tap dance.